Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Pramod Phatak, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, late Pushpadevi Patil Arts and Science College, Risod. Today we are going to see your unit second, and from the unit second, the part A, that is the crystal field theory. In last 3 to 4 lectures, we have seen the crystal field theory and the various aspects of crystal field theory. The various splittings in octahedral field, then tetrahedral field, then square planar field, and also distorted square planar field. Today we have to see the various factors affecting on the splitting of d orbit or splitting of d orbitals in octahedral field. Factors affecting crystal field splitting in octahedral field. So in this splitting, the most important one is the nature of metal ion. So these all factors is depend on the nature of metal ion. So first point from this is the different charges on the cation of same metal. Okay, you consider one case, any transition metal but having a different charge, means suppose here is the example vanadium. Vanadium is in first case vanadium is in 2 plus, and here is the second case vanadium in 3 plus. So this affects the crystal field splitting. So when vanadium is in 2 plus, there is the D3 system or D3 case. If vanadium is in 3 plus, it's the D2 system or D2 case. So the crystal field stabilization energy, that is the CFSE, is different for these both the two systems. Okay, so this affects on the factor, or this is the factor which affects the crystal field splitting in octahedral field. Here is the del octahedral, means octahedral field. The charge of central metal ion has a direct effect on magnitude of del octahedral values. The cations of the same transition metal with different charges show different crystal field splitting value. It found that higher the charge on the central metal ion, higher is the crystal field splitting. Okay, so it suggests that the higher the charge on a central metal ion, then highest is the energy of crystal field energy splitting value, sorry, crystal field splitting value. Here is the example, COH2O6 2 plus, then crystal field splitting value is 9300 centimeter inverse. But for the COH2O6 3 plus, means here is the same molecule but different charge. Here is the 2 plus and here is the 3 plus. So in this case the crystal field splitting value is 20,760 centimeter inverse. Another one is the same case for ruthenium, RuH2O6 2 plus. Here is the del octahedral value is 19,800 centimeter inverse, but for the ruthenium H2O6 3 plus is the 28,600 centimeter inverse. Here is some examples, and with his case vanadium 2 plus and vanadium 3 plus. Likewise, same Fe2 plus in D6 case, del octahedral value is 10,400 centimeter inverse, and for the Fe3 plus del octahedral value, that is the D5 case, del octahedral value is the 700 centimeter inverse. This effect is probably due to the fact that as a charge on the metal ion increases, the ligands will be drawn more closely to the metal ion, thereby the electrostatic field created will be greater, resulting in larger splitting. Okay, when the charge of central metal ion increase, the uh, ligands are more compact, means they are near to the or strongly bound with the central metal ion, and hence the electrostatic field will be greater, and due to that the splitting of this molecule is higher, so that's why the splitting value is higher for the greater charge. Okay, now next factor of the crystal field splitting in octahedral field is same charge on cation of different metal. Okay, the first one we have discussed the different charge on same cation, same metal. Here is the second factor is the same charge on different metals. Cations of different metals with same charge have different number of d electrons. In case of complexes having such cations, the magnitude of crystal field splitting decreases with increase in d electrons. Okay, here is the case we have seen the third transition series. In third transition series or fourth and fifth, the transition metals having a same charge, but there is the different case. As we know, they every metal having a different d electrons in his electronic configuration. So if the charge is same but the case one is different or system is different, so this also affects on the crystal field splitting value. So here is the example COH2O6 2 plus. Here is the charge on this molecule is 2 plus. Likewise, nickel H2O6 2 plus, here is also a charge is 2 plus on. In this case, here is the D7 system or D7 case. In nickel H2O6 there is the D8 system. So crystal field value splitting value is Dale octahedral 9300 centimeter inverse, and in this case D8 system Dale octahedral value is 8500 centimeter inverse. So this suggests having such cations, the magnitude of crystal field splitting decreases with increase in d electron. Means when d electron increases, the magnitude of crystal field splitting decreases. So it means the value of crystal field splitting is decreases with increase in d electron. Here is the d7 case, here is the d8 case, means here d electron increases in, or electron one electron is increasing in this d system, so that's why the value of crystal field splitting is decrease. Here is the 9300 and here is the 8500. It means when d electron increases, the value of d electron decreases. Now next factor which affects the in crystal field splitting is the nature of transition series. Okay, we have seen in first in coordination chemistry or in the last lecture last unit your transition elements. Here is the different types of series of transition metal, which is the 3D, 4D, 5D. Means every is a d orbital, but there is a different series of 3D, 4D and 5D series. So due to the fact from the 3D, 4D to 5D ionic sizes of metal ion increases. We know when we go from top to bottom in our periodic table, the ionic size is increasing. When in periodic table there is a fact, or there is the series where we go from top to bottom, then the ionic size will increase. So the approach of ligand increases and hence magnitude of crystal field splitting increases. So therefore due to this one, the approach of ligand increases and the magnitude of crystal field splitting also increases. It found that on going from 3D to 4D, magnitude increases as much as 30 to 40%, and by about 25 to 30% on going from 4D to 5D. This because there is a better overlap of 4D and 5D orbital with ligand orbitals. So here is the when you go from 3D to 4D series, the ionic size increases is 32, or sorry, magnitude increases with 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and when we go from 4D to 5D series, then the magnitude will increase with 25 to 30%. So here is the example: CONH36 3 plus, the Dale octahedral value is 24800 centimeter inverse. CO is the 3D series element. Then RH NH363 plus, there is the rhodium. Dale octahedral value is 34000 centimeter inverse, and this rhodium is the 4D series elements. Then IR irradium NH363 plus, Dale octahedral value is 41000 centimeter inverse, that is this irradium is a 5D series elements. Means when you go from 3D to 4D, 4D to 5D series, the crystal uh, field splitting value is increases. Now we have to stop here. The other factors which affects on the crystal field splitting in octahedral field discuss in next lecture. Thank you.